Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm here today to give you a Dogecoin update because Dogecoin has actually been tumbling over the last couple of days or so. And the big question is that we're all asking ourselves here, is this the time to buy Dogecoin? Are we going to be buying this dip? Because it's looking pretty goddamn profitable. Okay, so we're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis perspective. If you guys want to go check this article out, you can do. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go see this, and you can basically go have a little read through as well. And there is a lovely little Play Doge pre-sale, which I will be briefly going into here. Potentially on the video, okay? Maybe I will, maybe I won't. If we do have time, we will see. But let's get into the Doge technical analysis to start us off here, guys, and let's break this down together. So as you can see on the daily time frame, the macro, let's start with the market structure. Okay, the market structure is very important for a chart like this, guys. These are the confirmed higher low points that we need to be using as a reference for that level of support and for the confirmation that we're still going to have the continuation of the trend. Okay, and the trend is obviously bullish right now, and the most recent confirmed higher low that we do have on the chart here is actually down around 12 cents and 24 there. 12 cents 24 is the previous confirmed higher low, and the reasoning for this is, guys, is because, let me just get rid of some indicators. It's probably quite messy for you newer traders out there. Here we go. So the reasoning why this is our confirmed market structure higher low is because you can see we have seen a pump to the upside, break-in highs here, then a significant pullback, setting a low, and then what do? We break this high again. When we break this high here with this candle, essentially confirms this as a higher low market structure point. Now, you're probably asking, oh, we had a dip here. Yes, we have had a dip there, but we haven't broke this high again. So that means there's no other confirmed higher low in terms of the macro market structure. Okay, so that's essentially what we're looking for. The reasoning why this is very important, guys, is because this is the area that essentially we need to be looking at for a level of respect. Okay, if we do hold this for support, then it shows that we're still in a bullish market structure. Now, in terms of a buying area for Doge right now, obviously crypto does look fairly bearish here, and we are technically on this downtrend for the last week or so here, maybe even 2 weeks there. So in terms of a buying zone, I would actually put it all the way down at the previous higher low market structure, and that essentially is a massive level of support. If we're looking at momentum from this zone, guys, you can see the momentum that we've actually had previously here has been huge. It's been around 38%. So what do we do here? Essentially, what we do here when we're looking at momentum trading, guys, we're looking at previous areas, and as you can see, 85% there. Usually it's around half or near enough half, just measuring those areas as you come down, because momentum off a certain level tends to get smaller. Okay, tends to get smaller in terms of the level of support until we actually break it, because the more you test an area, the higher chance of you breaking it. Okay, so we actually haven't tested this area since then. So what we're looking for here is essentially a bounce, okay? And the bounce is going to be half of 38, which is just around 19% there. So if we're looking for a 19% move, it will actually put us right probably back up to this trend line that we've got coming down from the high of this current bull market here for Doge. Very interesting point to be getting involved with there, and definitely something that I wouldn't overlook here for Dogecoin in terms of a trade. Okay, so if we do dump down even further, and what I'm talking about here, guys, is a dump of around 13% to the downside. If we do see that come into fruition there, then it's very likely that I'll be long in the hell out of Doge, right? It's super bullish from that point, around 19% on the cards to be taken. Obviously, we're not going to be just going for 19%. That wouldn't be very intelligent. We need to be staggering our take profits. And once we hit our first take profit, we take our stop loss, move our stop loss to our entry point, and then we're essentially in a risk-free position, okay? That is the main goal of this, to be in a risk-free trade, okay? Now, the way that you do that, guys, is you split up this 19% into 4 increments, okay? Into 4 little increments here, and you use these as essential TPs, okay? 4 TPs throughout a position, and that way you're spreading out your risk, and you're sweet to go, okay? So yeah, looking pretty good there for a nice move for Doge. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, if you think this is going to explode here, or you do think we are due a bit more downside. I mean, the crypto markets in general over the last sort of week or so have been pretty rough here, so it wouldn't surprise me if we do see Doge take a bit more of a tumble here, but again, it's absolutely fine if this does happen, guys. Yes, our spot bags are bleeding, but there's still futures positions that we can be taking full advantage of. The next thing that I want to talk about, guys, is potential measure moves to the upside if we do actually have a breakout, okay? And the breakout scenario here for Doge, as you can see, we do have this downward sloping downward sloping trend line that we've got on the top side here. The reasoning for that is, guys, as you can see, resistance, 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 very simple stuff here. What we're looking for here is that break of the resistance and a big goddamn moonshot, okay? Stupid amount of money that could be made here. So in terms of a measure move for this that we can currently sort of see here, guys, we're going to be using a horizontal. Okay, the horizontal in question today is going to be this little bad boy here. You can see support, 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 support. Very strong stuff coming through from a momentum standpoint there. So what are we going to do? We're going to take a measure move here from that level of support all the way up to that testing point of resistance. Bring that to the breaking point, and this is going to be our trade, okay? And the trade is going to be potentially worth here for a move to the upside around potentially 29%. Remember, guys, this is the macro time frame. This is the daily time frame. So it's not going to happen overnight, okay? I mean, it's crypto, anything can happen, but it's very unlikely to be sat there and Doge exploding 29%, right? It's probably going to happen over the course of a few weeks or so, and it's actually healthier for it to do that. And just looking at this trend to the upside here, guys, you can see it happened quite gradually here, which was really, really nice for around 40%. So sort of what we would like to happen here for this 29%. The break point that I want to be referencing here, guys, just quickly before we end the video here, don't want to keep you guys too long. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, drop a little like. Is going to be this break point. We're going to be breaking moving averages here, and again, we're going to be breaking this lovely, lovely level of resistance. Let me know what you think in the comment section of the video, guys. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.